Hello, and welcome back to my channel. And today, finally, I am checking out all the 5 solos by TXT. I was waiting for them to all come out at this, that way I would be reacting to all of them at the same time. But then I was away. I went to see Jin in London, Jin from BTS, and that was absolutely amazing. And now I am back, and I am finally ready. So we are starting with Yeonjun with Ghost Girl official MV. I already know all of the songs. I've been listening to this album pretty much on repeat, not gonna lie. And I still cannot decide. Like, all of the solos are my favorites, but they're all such different vibes that it's like, I think it's depending on my mood, like which one is my favorite. But I would say that Dancing with You, yeah, Unikai solo and Taeyeon solo are like my two, like the most on repeat solos for me. But like, all of them are so good. Ghost Girl, as soon as it started, when I was listening to it, I fell in love. So I can wait to see what the videos are gonna look like because I have no idea. I've managed to avoid spoilers for the music videos, so let's go. And also, this will be my first time seeing the lyrics as well. Ooh. You can be my ghost girl, you can sing my soul girl. Like, I'm sorry. I'm gonna try not to pause too much because I already know the songs, but I'm definitely gonna speak on the visuals. But also, can we talk about Yeonjun's like raspy vocal tone here? He sounds so freaking good. Like, this style of music fits him so well. I love Yeonjun's voice. Like, listen to that. You can be my ghost girl. You can be my ghost girl. 내 심장을 터쳐 지배당한 채 나의 모든 걸 넘겨. You can be my ghost girl. Oh, God, he's so pretty. Love that style on him. Like, this is how I wish I could dress every single day. But I can never find the exact same clothes. And also, it doesn't look that good on me. I mean, it looks okay. But, like, it is so weird that some of these men give me gender envy. Like, that's crazy. Are we in London? Jesus Christ. This part, I was sold. Ugh. Like he's a tortured artist. I actually don't know where we are. I am really bad at knowing what cities are. Maybe it's not England, I don't know. Maybe it's America, I don't know. God, I think this is my favorite part of the song, the pre-chorus. Oh, I love that. Oh, love the fact that the painting looks like blood a little bit. Wow, painting with his eyes closed. she's haunting him. This is so good.
I just wanna be with you. I just wanna stay with you. I just wanna live and die with you. You can be my ghost girl.
Literally a ghost. That looks like the ghost from their lore. You know? Wow. That was a great video, honestly. Like, it really showcased, like, the despair and the pain in his voice through, like, the visuals. Because all of it, like, it was red and, like, really dark. And even the paintings, like, you could feel how isolated he's feeling in this. Like, you always see him alone. Like, even when he's walking down the street, it's just him, pretty much. So I really, really love the color grading in the video. And also, my God, he is so freaking gorgeous. I don't understand. Like, how? How? How do you look like that? Boom. Okay, next one is my boy, Subin. It's Sunday Driver. Completely different vibe. So I'm guessing we're gonna be driving on a Sunday. I don't know. Oh, I love his voice. I love him. Ah! Stop it. Sorry, he's so cute. Ah! Stop it! Like, I already love you. Like, I'm already in love. Like, there's no need for all of that. Is that Groot? Oh, it's whimsy and cute. Sorry. Oh my God, that. I'm sorry, but like, look how gorgeous he looks. My God. Wow. A CD for every mood. I thought the plant was holding the ice cream for a second. I was like, wait. I love his lower register. Oh, cute! Oh, it's like, what's the name of that? Oh, wow, that looks so freaking good. That book he's got movie with the bean. I can't remember what it's called. That was so freaking cute. I can't believe that. Oh, that looks like a bunny. It's a bunny, just like Subin. Oh, that was so freaking adorable. My God. What a difference. See what I mean? Like, it really depends on your mood. Like, this song is just perfect to listen to in the car, to be honest. Like, and again, I love his voice. I'm gonna say that for every single one of them because I am OT5 through and through. So, but yeah, Subin has been my bias since forever. Okay, Taeyeon, Bird of Night. Okay, really, Really curious to see what the MV is gonna be like.
모두 잠든 깊은 밤이 말을 걸어와 잠들 수 없는 밤 째깍대는 시계 소리 도시의 소음만
Also, I'm sorry. I feel like it's not really in HD for some reason.
점점 커져가 쌓여가는 선택 사이 불안함 속에 무거워진 어깨 어른이 된 단건 뭘까 yeah, 전부
I'm sorry. Like, why do I have that? What's going on?
흐려져가 날개를 펴는 burn of night
I'm sorry. Like, my computer was like acting up.
무거워진 어깨 어른이 된 단건 뭘까 yeah, 전부 흐려져가 날개를 펴는 burn of night 잠든 도시의 별빛 아래 고요한 밤 나만의
Oh
night
my god, his voice.
작은 점이 돼 어둠이 더 깊을수록 빛나 흔들리지 않을 저 별빛은 이 시간의 이유를 I know
Oh, he's so
We should
beautiful.
let it go 불확실한 감정들의 이름 잠못 드는 저 바다의 이유 이 세상의 어떤 어둠도 언젠가는 glow 내려다본 도시
Oh,
흔들리는
he's such a beautiful soul, to be honest. Like, seriously. Everything about him is just.
속에 널 떠올려 혹시 너도 그럴까 별을 향해 내게 주신 내게
His lyrics.
기도하지 깨어있는 이유 별을 향해 너와 함께 나가기 위해 난 날아가 like a bird of night 숱한 고민의 불빛 아래 찬란한 밤 우리의 night
I love the use of animation in the MVs.
어둠이 더
So
깊을수록
pretty.
빛나 흔들리지 않을 저 별빛은 이 시간의 이유를 I know We should let it go 같은 별을 바라보고 있어
It's like everything moves around you so fast.
세상에
Like, life moves around you so fast.
언젠가는 glow
This is second act. Restless Bear. The Star chapter together. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. The song and the video, seriously. Oh, I was just so into it. Like, I can't believe it's already over. It didn't feel like 2 minutes and 49 seconds. That was so pretty, honestly. And again, this feeling of loneliness. But like, this song is very relatable. And this is what I mean when I say that Taeyeon has a beautiful soul. I just love his way of thinking. Like, he is such a wise person for such a young age. And he always impresses me, honestly. Like, I just love his mind. And yeah, I freaking adore this song. Like, his voice is so freaking gorgeous. And I saw them live twice. I saw them in concert twice this year. And this boy gets to you. If he's not your bias or your wrecker, if you ever get the chance to see TXT live, he will be either in your bias line or an official wrecker. Which is why I'm like, Subin is my bias. He's been my bias forever, right? And the rest of them, all of the other ones are wreckers for me. All of them. Because it's just, how can you not love every single one of them? Like, they're all issues. Like, what the hell? Okay, next one I think is Yun and Kai. Ooh! Oh. I'm sorry, that outfit on him. Oh, wow. Look. Jesus Christ. How do you look like that? Again, I keep having the same questions for all of them. Like, how do you look like that? How? You slow down. You relax. Like, I wanted to say, what did I want to say? I love how we came like Yeonjun was like really dark and gritty and red, and then Subin was really bright and colorful, and then Taeyeon was also like dark and a little gloomy, and then Yuninkai back to really colorful, like all of those bright colors, the yellow, the green. Oh, I love the fact that he's only in black, so the contrast is even better, and my God, he looks absolutely unreal. I feel like he's looking at me. Like, I can't do that. Oh. His voice. Is he gonna dance? He better. Dance with you. What are you What are you doing? Absolutely not. Okay. Seriously, the range. He's got such an incredible range. People sleep on his vocals way too much. Oh, not the black and white. What the fuck? Why is he doing all of that? The hell? He wants to kill people. That's okay. Stop whispering at me. Mama Roomba. Love the use of red in that one too. Okay, are we done? Oh, that was a lot. Okay. Barabot, San Luis, Monterrey. I love what they feel like. They filmed in like multiple places. Again, the use of red at the end though. Like very reminiscent of Yeonjun's red as well. Oh my god. Okay, last one is Bong You and oh! We're outside. Okay, my emo boy. Let's see what the MV is gonna look like. I am so in love with his voice. Seriously, the deeper tone that he has. Oh, it's so good. Also, he is so freaking stunning. That little scene that reminds me of a music video from Jin Young from GOT7, and I can't remember the name right now. I am really bad at remembering song titles, but that reminds me of that in that giant hair balloon. song. His voice. Why is he bruised? Oh no. Oh, that looks so pretty. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. There's no room anymore. Oh, I need him to do like a full like rock album. He's got the voice for it. Why am I thinking of the tree from Blue Hour? Animation again. Oh, oh my god. Seriously, this song. There's multiple hair balloons now. Why are they all so alone and isolated in their music videos? Like, okay. Why are we all sad? I guess technically Subin was happy, but he was driving with a plant, you know? Wow. That was absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. My god. Panic was about his anxiety and fear, while take my half is the acceptance and healing to share the pain. Oh, that makes sense. That does make sense a lot. But yeah, like Bong You is just such an interesting and complex person in my opinion. Like, because usually when people see TXT, like they think Bong Yu is like this goofy, like chaotic guy, and he is. He is, in my opinion, like he is hilarious. He is so funny, but it's usually those people that have like the most, like that have the deepest thoughts and oftentimes anxiety. If I have you ever noticed that it's like people like that try to not try but like you think they're all like bubbly and happy all the time, but that is just not the case, and also like it is quite impossible to be like that all the time. So I love that in his solo music, in his solo stuff, he gets to show this vulnerable side of him, um, and strength that he has, and that he's not afraid to show that to us. And I just love that a lot. Um, but yeah, it is important to share that pain with someone that you trust, because otherwise you isolate yourself and it's just not a good idea because you only feel worse. So you need to open up and accept that about yourself to be able to accept other people in your life. So yeah, I just love all of those solos, like seriously. And as when I first listened to the songs, I instantly thought these fit them so well. This is exactly how I imagine their solos to be. Like I am not surprised by the style they're going with, like each of them. So that makes me really happy because they get to showcase all of their skills, all of their talent, and TXT are just so incredibly talented, and I just love them a lot. So yeah, let me know what your favorite solo is. Like seriously, it is so hard to just pick one. Like I said, all five of them are my favorites. Like I just love every single song. And again, like I said, I'm gonna repeat myself. I guess it really depends on what mood you're in. Um, but yeah. Anyway, I guess that is it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to comment, like, maybe subscribe to the channel, and I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!